Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. Okay, let's start. Create a new document. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. First, we need to create these map 18 and 60. So we need to select XY plane. Create center rectangle. Make dimension 18. 60. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe the dimension 16. 60. Okay. Next, we create these extrude feature 14, 50. So, create new sketch. Select XY plane 2. Create center rectangle. Make dimension 50 and 40. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe the dimension is 30. Hmm? 10 millimeter, not 6. 6 is here. The circle's center. Sorry, we come back, pipe the dimension 10 millimeter. Okay. Next, we create a small pipe the dimension 50 and 20. So, create a new sketch. Select XY plane. View sketch. Create center rectangle. Dimension 20. 15. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe the dimension is 5 plus 30. 35. Okay. Next, we need to create this feature. So we need create new sketch. Select XZ plane. Then we create a solid. View sketch. Create a solid. Make dimension 60. This point and 10. Diameter 10. 30. So we need external geometry. This edge dimension 30. Next, we select this arc convent reference. Create a line close the sketch. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe the dimension tab up to face. We need to select this face. Okay. Next, we create the pocket Synchronic 5 mm. From here, 5 is 13 minus 5, 25. So create new sketch. Delete. Create new sketch. Select XY plane. View sketching. Create center rectangle. The dimension 40. This 30. Leave the sketch. Then we pocket the dimension 25. Okay. Double click. Reversed direction. Okay. Next, we create this small pocket, 11, 16. So create a new sketch. Select XY plane. View sketching. Create center rectangle. Dimension 16, 11. Leave the sketch. Then we pocket the dimension tab through all. Direction reversed. Okay. Next, we create these 4 ferrite. Select these 4 edge. Hold Ctrl. Select these 4 edge. Fillet. The dimension, let's say 5. 10 mm. Okay. Next, we create these 4 edges fillet. Select these 4 edge. Fillet 5 mm. Next, we create these 4 holes. So create a new sketch. Select XY plane. View sketching. External geometry. These 4 arcs. Create 4 circles. And the constant equal. Diameter 10 mm. Leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension tab. Reversed. Dimension tab through all. Okay. Next, we create this 5 mm hole. So create a new sketch. Select X Z plane. External geometry. Select this arc. View sketching. Create a circle. Dimension 5 mm. Leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension tab through all. Direction reversed. Okay. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.